Hey cruise lovers, welcome back to Cruise Advisor. I'm your host, and if you're wondering whether Disney cruises are just for kids with Mickey ears and princess dresses, buckle up, because today's video is going to completely change your mind. We're diving deep into Disney's newest ship, the Disney Destiny, and I'm about to reveal why this might secretly be the best adults-only vacation Disney has ever created. From hidden speakeasies to Michelin-level dining, this ship is packed with surprises that even seasoned cruisers don't know about. So let's set sail and discover every adults-only treasure this ship has to offer. The Disney Destiny represents a bold new chapter for Disney Cruise Line. Launching in November 2025 from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, this 144,000-ton marvel is the seventh ship in Disney's fleet and the third in the innovative Wish-class series. But what makes this ship truly special isn't just its size or newness, it's the unprecedented focus on creating sophisticated, adults-only spaces that rival the finest bars and restaurants anywhere on land or sea. This ship breaks the mold with its heroes and villains theme, featuring everything from a Black Panther-inspired Grand Hall to villain-themed lounges that would make Maleficent herself jealous. With approximately 1,200 staterooms accommodating around 4,000 guests, the Destiny strikes the perfect balance between intimacy and grandeur. Now let's dive into the top 9 reasons why Disney Destiny is the best adults-only vacation Disney has ever created. Number 1, the Haunted Mansion Parlor, Disney's darkest adult sanctuary. Let's start with what might be Disney's greatest adults-only achievement, the Haunted Mansion Parlor. This isn't your typical theme park bar. This is a full sensory experience that transports you directly into the iconic Disney attraction. The moment you step through those doors, you're enveloped in an atmosphere of elegant eeriness. Moving portraits line the walls, their eyes following you as you navigate the space. Holographic effects create ghostly apparitions that materialize and vanish before your eyes. Dripping candle illusions flicker with an otherworldly glow, casting dancing shadows across the Victorian-inspired decor. But it's the drinks that truly steal the show. The cocktail menu has been completely reimagined for the Destiny, featuring spooky signature creations that is theatrical as they are delicious. Picture this, a smoking cocktail served in a crystal skull, or a color-changing concoction that shifts from midnight blue to blood red as you sip. Each drink is crafted by theatrical bartenders who treat mixology as performance art. The attention to detail is staggering. The carpet features hidden Mickeys woven into ghostly patterns. The chandelier is a twisted masterpiece that looks like it could come alive at any moment. And if you sit quietly and listen, you'll hear the haunting melodies of the attraction's signature music, creating an immersive soundscape that's both chilling and comforting. Pro tip, try to visit during different times of day. The parlor runs on a rotation of effects, and it takes about an hour to see everything. The space is intimate and can fill up quickly, so arriving early, especially during port days when most guests are off the ship, gives you the best chance to experience all the magic without the crowds.
Number 2, DeVille's, where a villainy meets sophistication. If the Haunted Mansion Parlor is dark and mysterious, DeVille's is its glamorous, slightly dangerous cousin. Inspired by one of Disney's most fashionable villains, Cruella de Vil, this piano lounge oozes style and attitude. The color scheme alone is a masterclass in design. Black, white, and pops of Cruella's signature red create a space that's simultaneously elegant and edgy. Velvet seating in various textures invites you to sink in and stay a while black and white luxury decor, including Dalmatian spotted accents that are playful rather than cartoonish, surrounds you. The fashion-inspired cocktails are works of art. Each drink is presented with theatrical flair, some featuring edible lipstick garnishes, others served in glasses rimmed with fashion-forward sugar designs. The perfectly wretched cocktail, for instance, comes with a spray of Cruella's perfume, a theatrical touch that fills the air with a sophisticated floral scent. But the real magic happens when Cruella herself makes an appearance. During select times, the mistress of haute couture sweeps into the room, commanding attention with her larger-than-life personality. She might critique guests' fashion choices, all in good fun, pose for photos, or even sit down at a table for an impromptu conversation. These troublemaking with Cruella sessions are immersive entertainment at its finest. The live piano performances add another layer of sophistication. Whether it's classic Disney tunes given a jazz treatment or contemporary hits reimagined for piano, the music creates the perfect backdrop for intimate conversations or pre-dinner drinks. If you're loving this deep dive into the Disney Destiny's adult spaces, hit that like button and subscribe to Cruise Advisor for more exclusive cruise ship tours and honest reviews. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Number 3, Cask and Cannon, the Pirates Pub for grown-ups. Forget the kid-friendly pirate night activities. Cask and Cannon is where adults come to channel their inner buccaneer in style. This Pirates of the Caribbean-themed pub is a masterpiece of immersive design that celebrates all the Pirates of the Caribbean attractions from around the world. The attention to detail here is remarkable. Those lights hanging over the bar, they're actual replicas of lamps from various Pirates of the Caribbean attractions worldwide. The ceiling features an intricate treasure map that rewards careful observation with hidden details and Easter eggs. Even the beer taps are themed, with custom designs that reference obscure elements from the ride. The beverage program showcases custom beers and an extensive rum selection that would make Captain Jack Sparrow weep with joy. The rum flight is presented in a miniature cannon, a fun touch that makes for great photos. Many drinks incorporate theatrical elements like smoke effects or flaming presentations, creating Instagram-worthy moments. But Cask and Cannon isn't just about drinks. The hearty comfort food menu, available for an additional fee, features elevated pub fare that pairs perfectly with your beverage of choice. Think gourmet burgers with unique toppings, loaded nachos with premium ingredients, and fish and chips that actually taste like they came from a proper British pub. The pub also functions as the ship's sports bar with multiple screens showing games and sporting events. It's the perfect spot to catch your favorite team's match while enjoying a cold one, all while surrounded by Disney magic. Number 4, Saga Lounge, After Dark Entertainment Hub. During the day, Saga Lounge hosts family-friendly activities like trivia and games. But when the sun sets, this two-story venue transforms into one of the most exciting adults-only entertainment spaces at sea. The Marvel-themed decor inspired by Black Panther creates a sophisticated backdrop for evening entertainment. The space features a main floor with a full bar and a second level with additional seating that offers perfect sightlines for the shows. The adult entertainment lineup is impressive and diverse. Comedy shows feature professional comedians delivering sets that are genuinely funny and push the boundaries of what you'd expect from Disney. Think PG-13 to light R-rated humor that adults appreciate. Cabaret-style performances showcase talented singers and dancers in intimate settings. Variety acts might include magicians, acrobats, or specialty performers. But the crown jewel of Saga's entertainment is the Marvel comedy show with great power. This adults-only production is a hilarious romp through the Marvel Cinematic Universe, complete with witty commentary, spot-on parodies, and enough inside jokes to satisfy die-hard Marvel fans while remaining accessible to casual viewers. The show runs about 40 minutes and features the ship's storytellers, Zia and Gamble, who guide you through Marvel history with sharp writing and impeccable timing. The nightlife energy continues after shows with DJs spinning sets that keep the party going late into the evening. It's a far cry from family-friendly Disney. This is genuine adult nightlife at sea. Number 5, The Rose, elegance personified. If you're looking for the most sophisticated spot on the entire ship, The Rose is your destination. Located just outside the specialty restaurants, this Beauty and the Beast-inspired lounge is a masterclass in understated elegance. Floor-to-ceiling windows offer stunning ocean views and spectacular sunset vistas that create a naturally romantic atmosphere. The soft, warm lighting is carefully designed to be flattering and intimate without being too dim. The decor features touches of rose gold, deep reds, and elegant floral motifs that reference the enchanted rose from the film without being heavy-handed. The cocktail program at the Rose focuses on refined, classic drinks with sophisticated twists. Think French 75s with premium champagne, expertly crafted old fashions, and seasonal specialties that showcase top-shelf spirits. The bartenders here are some of the most skilled on the ship, capable of creating custom drinks based on your preferences. This is the perfect spot for a romantic pre-dinner drink, a quiet nightcap, or simply a moment to escape and watch the ocean go by. Unlike some of the more energetic venues on the ship, the Rose maintains a calm, relaxing atmosphere throughout the evening. The dress code is slightly more elevated. While not formally required, you'll notice most guests naturally dress up a bit for this space. Number 6, Palo Steakhouse, fine dining excellence. Palo has been Disney Cruise Line's signature adults-only restaurant for years, but on the Destiny, it reaches new heights of culinary excellence. This isn't just dinner. It's an experience that rivals top steakhouses in major cities. The setting is breathtaking. Two-story windows provide unobstructed ocean views, creating a sense of dining at the edge of the world. The decor is elegant and contemporary, with warm woods, soft lighting, and refined table settings. The atmosphere is sophisticated without being stuffy. You can have serious conversations or celebratory meals here with equal ease. The menu focuses on Northern Italian cuisine and premium steaks. The Wagyu options are the stars of the show, with various cuts prepared to perfection. Each steak is sourced from top-quality suppliers and aged properly, resulting in melt-in-the-mouth tenderness and rich, complex flavors. The accompanying sauces and sides are equally impressive, from truffle butter to loaded baked potatoes that are meals in themselves. But Palo isn't just about dinner. The elevated brunch service has achieved legendary status among Disney cruisers. This all-you-can-enjoy feast features everything from made-to-order omelets to fresh seafood, from imported cheeses to decadent desserts. The brunch service runs for several hours, allowing you to linger and savor the experience. The wine program deserves special mention. Palo sommeliers have curated an extensive list featuring bottles from around the world, with a special focus on Italian wines that complement the cuisine. Whether you're a wine enthusiast or just enjoy a good glass with dinner, you'll find options that enhance your meal. Service at Palo is impeccable. The staff is attentive without being intrusive, knowledgeable without being pretentious, and genuinely passionate about creating memorable dining experiences. They remember preferences from earlier in your cruise and go out of their way to accommodate special requests or dietary restrictions. Number 7. Enchante, Michelin-level culinary artistry. If Palo is excellent, Enchante is transcendent. This is Disney Cruise Line's most luxurious restaurant, offering a dining experience that rivals 3 Michelin-starred establishments on land. Created in partnership with chef Arnaud Lalmonte, who holds 3 Michelin stars at his restaurant, La Assiette Champenoise, in France, Enchante represents the pinnacle of culinary achievement at sea. Chef Lalmonte brings his expertise in French haute cuisine, while incorporating elements that work for a cruise ship setting. The space itself is stunning. A breathtaking chandelier centerpiece draws the eye upward, while intimate table spacing ensures privacy. The decor channels the elegance of French fine dining establishments while maintaining a sense of accessibility. You feel special, not intimidated. The dining experience is structured as a multi-course tasting menu that changes seasonally. Each course is a work of art, both visually and gastronomically. Presentations are elaborate, with dishes that look almost too beautiful to eat, but eat them you must because the flavors are extraordinary. Expect modern interpretations of French classics, perhaps a delicate consommé with unexpected garnishes, followed by perfectly seared scallops in a butter sauce that redefines what you thought butter sauce could be. Main courses might feature preparations of lamb or fish that showcase the protein while adding contemporary twists. Desserts are equally impressive, from deconstructed classics to innovative creations that play with texture and temperature. The wine pairings, while an additional cost, are carefully selected to complement each course. The sommeliers can guide you through the pairings, explaining how each wine enhances the flavors of the food. Service at Enchante is exceptional. Your servers are trained in the art of fine dining service, knowing when to engage in conversation and when to fade into the background. They explain each course in detail, answer questions about preparation or ingredients, and ensure that every aspect of your meal exceeds expectations. This is not a restaurant for everyone. It's expensive, formal, and the portions are smaller than typical cruise dining. But for those seeking a truly special culinary experience, for celebrating a milestone, or for simply experiencing world-class cuisine, Enchante delivers an unforgettable evening.
Number 8. Quiet Cove, your adult-only oasis. After all that eating and drinking, you'll need a place to relax and recharge. Quiet Cove is that place, an 18-plus only sanctuary that feels worlds away from the family-friendly energy of the main pool deck. The centerpiece is the infinity pool, positioned to overlook the ship's wake. There's something mesmerizing about lounging in the pool while watching the ocean stretch endlessly behind you. The pool is kept at a comfortable temperature, perfect for a refreshing dip without the shock of cold water. Multiple hot tubs dot the space, each offering slightly different views and atmospheres. Some are more social, where you might strike up conversations with fellow cruisers. Others are tucked into corners, perfect for couples seeking a romantic soak under the stars. The Cove Bar serves up tropical cocktails, frozen drinks, and a full selection of beer and wine. The bartenders here are skilled at making whatever you're craving, whether it's a classic margarita or something custom created. Service extends to your lounge chair. Just flag down a server and order drinks or light snacks without leaving your spot. Speaking of lounge chairs, Quiet Cove features some of the most comfortable seating on the ship. Plush cushions, adjustable backs, and convenient side tables make these chairs perfect for spending hours reading, napping, or simply soaking up the sun. The chairs are spaced generously, ensuring you're not crowded by neighbors. The Moana-themed Quiet Cove Cafe offers premium coffee drinks, specialty teas, and pastries. This isn't the grab-and-go coffee you get elsewhere on the ship. These are carefully crafted beverages that rival what you'd find at a high-end coffee shop on land. The atmosphere at Quiet Cove lives up to its name. The music is soft, sometimes barely noticeable, creating a peaceful ambiance. No energetic Mickey songs here, no kids splashing or running, just gentle waves, warm sun, and the kind of relaxation that makes you forget you're on a cruise ship full of thousands of people. The deck is well maintained and thoughtfully designed with plenty of shade options for when you need a break from the sun. The staff circulates regularly to refresh towels, clear glasses, and ensure everything is pristine. Number 9. The Hidden Gem, Secret Upper Deck. Here's the insider tip that most guests never discover. There's a secret upper deck above Quiet Cove that's even more private and serene. This hidden sanctuary is technically part of the adult-only area, but most people don't realize it exists. To find it, look for the stairs at the back of Quiet Cove that lead up. Once you ascend, you'll discover a space that's often completely empty, even when Quiet Cove itself is busy. The upper deck features incredibly comfortable loungers that seem to hug your body, multiple shaded areas for when the sun gets too intense, some of the best panoramic views on the entire ship, almost no foot traffic, creating an incredibly peaceful atmosphere, strategic positioning that captures the best breezes. This is the ultimate escape for adults who want true serenity. It's perfect for reading that book you've been meaning to finish, taking a nap in the fresh ocean air, having deep conversations without interruptions, stargazing at night. It's rarely crowded even after dark, simply disconnecting from everything. The secret to this space staying relatively unknown is that Disney doesn't heavily promote it, and there's no signage directing people to it. Most guests are satisfied with Quiet Cove itself and never explore further. But now you know, and this information alone could transform your Disney Destiny cruise experience. Speaking of secrets and insider tips, what's the one thing you want to know most about the Disney Destiny? Drop your comments below and I'll answer every single one, whether it's about booking tips, more hidden spots, or specific venue details. Ask away. So there you have it, cruise lovers. The Disney Destiny is absolutely packed with sophisticated adults-only experiences that prove Disney cruises aren't just for families with young children. From the haunting elegance of the Haunted Mansion parlor to the culinary excellence of Enchante, from the stylish vibes of DeVille's to the secret sanctuary of the Upper Quiet Cove deck, this ship offers adults their own world on board. Whether you're a couple looking for romance, a group of friends seeking adventure, or solo travelers wanting to indulge the magic of Disney in a more mature, sophisticated way, the Disney Destiny has created spaces specifically for you to enjoy the magic of Disney in a more mature, sophisticated way. Remember, this ship sets sail in November 2025 from Fort Lauderdale, offering 4- and 5-night sailings to the Bahamas and the Caribbean. If you're interested in experiencing these incredible adults-only venues, I'd recommend booking sooner rather than later. Disney cruises are known to fill up quickly, especially new ships. Thank you so much for watching Cruise Advisor. If this video helped you discover something new about the Disney Destiny, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth cruise ship reviews, insider tips, and honest advice about cruise travel. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, this is Cruise Advisor reminding you the best journeys happen when you set sail with confidence. See you on the next voyage.